Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications. Today we are going to discuss about processed meat products of Veterinary Science Day 13. Processing of meat products. The purposes of meat processing are to improve shelf life, flavor, taste, nutritive value and convenience. The different processes involves curing, grinding, mixing with different ingredients, cooking, packaging, etc. Factors to be considered during processing are cohesion. The product should retain its physical integrity after processing. That means cohesion. Next one is protein. The quality of protein is important, particularly in emulsion type meat products. Fat and moisture. Maximum amount of natural and added fat and moisture should be retained. pH and water holding capacity. Meat products can be divided into several groups based on their product characteristics and processing procedures. They are canned meats, frozen meats, dry preserved meats, cured meats, sausages, enrobed meats, fermented meats, Luncheon meats, etc. Canned meats. What is canned meat? Pasteurized canned products. These are pasteurized canned products. Refrigerated ones. Sterilized products can be kept at room temperature. Cured products are pasteurized at 65 to 75 degrees Celsius. Metal cans are coated with sulfur resistant resins. Example, canned ham, corned beef, beef stew, beef in chili sauce, etc. Frozen meats. Products are quick frozen at minus 20 to minus 40 degrees Celsius by blast freezing and vacuum packaged. We had already discussed about blast freezing and vacuum packaging in earlier video. Example, meatloaf, breaded boneless pork, beef cutlet, pork sausage, meatball, etc. These are the examples of frozen meats. Dry preserved meat, sun drying and hot air drying are used. It is dried after marination with salt. The dried meat is smoked to impart flavor and to increase the shelf life of the product. Texture will be very hard. Example, uppukandam and kebab. Cured meats, meat cured with salt, sodium nitrate or nitrate, other adjuncts, sugars, etc. The different methods used are massaging, tumbling and mixing. Example, pork products like ham and bacon, beef products like corned beef. Ham is pork thighs that has been preserved by wet or dry curing with or without smoking. There are three types: bone-in, semi-boneless or boneless. Next, bacon from pork bellies or salt cured. Macon means produced by curing cuts of mutton, that is known as macon. Meat from other animals such as beef, lamb, chicken, goat or turkey are cut, cured and prepared to resemble bacon. Vegetarian bacon, fecund, veggie bacon or bacon, made from marinated strips of textured soy protein or tempeh. You should remember that particular point. It is vegetarian in origin. Textured soy protein or tempeh. Next, corned beef, salt cured brisket of beef. Meat is treated with large grain rock salt, also called corns of salt, that is known as corned beef. It is cured with a pickle solution consisting of water, salt, sugar, nitrate and other spices. Sausages. Sausage is a comminuted minced meat product with seasoning and stuffed in casing. Natural casing. Submucosal layer of intestine is used for casing over here in the case of sausages. Synthetic casings, cellulose, collagen, plastic, and vegetarian are also used in the case of synthetic casings. Sausage making consists of several steps. Comminution to reduce meat and fat particle size. The different technologies utilized in comminution of meat include mincing, milling, chopping, and flaking. Mixing with ingredients and then the emulsifying, stuffing into casings, and linking and typing to obtain specific length. Next, after all, packaging. Types and examples are listed in this table. Fresh sausages, fresh pork sausage, bratwurst, dry and semi-dry sausage, Genoa salami, pepperoni, Lebanon bologna, and up to cooked meats. Specialties like loaves, head cheese, scrappled, etc. Enrobed meat. Enrobing. What is enrobing? Enrobing is a coating of surface of product with edible materials, that is known as enrobing. They are called breaded or battered products. The ingredients used in enrobing are normally wheat flours are used, or corn flour, rice flour, gram flour, or proteins are used for enrobing or coating. Enrobing improves taste, juiciness, flavor, tenderness, nutritive value, cooking yield, and shelf life of the product. Born in product. Examples are chicken drumsticks, chicken cut parts. They are the examples of born in products. Whole muscle or meat chunks. Example, breast fillets of chicken, chunks of pork, mutton, and buffalo meat. Ground meat products. Example, enrobed nuggets. Enrobed nuggets and enrobed patties are example of ground meat products. Fermented meat products. What are different fermented meat products? Prepared by microbial fermentation and dehydration to develop specific flavor and texture. Starter cultures like Lactobacillus, Pediococcus, Lactococcus, and Micrococcus are added to the minced meat over here. After completion of fermentation, the product is dried to specific moisture level. Commonly, pork and beef are fermented. Dry and semi-dry sausages requires carefully controlled fermentation and drying. Salami. What is salami? Salami is a type of cured sausage consisting of fermented and air-dried meat, typically pork. That is known as salami. You should remember that particular point for your exam. Salami. Fermented dry sausages. No refrigeration is required for storage. Semi-dry sausages require refrigeration temperature. Luncheon meats. These are also called deli meat, cold cuts, lunch meats, cooked meats, sliced meats, cold meats. They are pre-cooked or cured meats that are sliced and served cold or hot. Utilized for sandwich preparation. Example, cooked beef patties. Restructured meat products. Meat product that is partly or completely disassembled and then formed into the same or a different form is restructured. Sausages and luncheon meat are also manufactured by restructuring. Three basic procedures in the production of restructured meats. They are chunking and forming, flaking and forming, sectioning and forming. Example, restructured steaks, chicken rolls, nugget sticks, cutlets, turkey ham, patties, etc. Ethnic Indian meat products. Comminuted or minced meat products like kebab, gustab, akhani, korma, kofta, meat pickle, quail egg pickle, tandoori preparations, etc. Rendered edible fat. Tallow. What is tallow? Tallow is rendered beef or mutton fat, that is known as tallow. Lard. It is from pork. Diced or minced beef or mutton or pork fat is cooked in steam jacketed kettle to extract fat from the tissues. Functional meat products. They contain health giving qualities or provide protection against certain diseases. Functional meat products are with potential health benefits by increasing or introducing bioactive properties. And the third one, meat-based bioactive peptides are carnosine, anserin, L-carnitine, taurine, glutathione, creatine, and conjugated linoleic acids. Poultry meat products, processed whole chicken, either halved or quartered. Various cut up parts of poultry are wings, breast, leg, back and neck. Restructured poultry products, poultry turkey rolls, fillets, poultry roast, patties, nuggets, loaf items, turkey bacon and turkey ham. Emulsified poultry products include frankfurters, bologna and loaf items are emulsified poultry products from chilled or frozen deboned poultry or turkey. Coated poultry products, nuggets and patties are made from whole muscle trimmings, salt, polyphosphate, water, starches and soy proteins as binders, extenders and fillers, and a variety of species and seasonings. Marinated poultry products, it is done by soaking or rubbing salt or vinegar, lemon juice, wine, oil in combination with spices over this product. It improves flavor and yield and to increase tenderness and other eating qualities. Commercial marination is done by vacuum tumbling. Meat analogues. What are the meat analogues? They are made from non-meat proteins such as soya and cultivated mold mycelia that are known as mycoproteins. The dried chunks on rehydration will have a texture similar to lean meat. They may be used in cheaper kinds of meat products to increase bulk or texture with proper labeling on the product. Examples are soy based one, example tofu and tempeh. Gluten based are examples seitan made from wheat gluten. Dairy based ones, example paneer, Glamorgan sausage. Fungi derived edible mushrooms. Mycoprotein, a form of single cell protein, example mycoprotein. Fistulina hepatica, it is a common mushroom known as beef stick fungus. The name of beef stick fungus, Fistulina hepatica. You should remember this particular point for your exam. Beef stick fungus, Fistulina hepatica. Laetiporus, a mushroom which is also named chicken of the woods. Which among the following is known as chicken of the woods? Laetiporus mushroom. Lyophyllum decastes, a mushroom known as fried chicken mushroom, which is known as fried chicken mushroom. You should remember this point. Lyophyllum decastes. Lyophyllum decastes is known as fried chicken mushroom. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications. Online mock test will be conducted after each module. Kindly register for online mock test at www.microbiologytutor.com.